Designed to provide accurate and reliable dimensioning results while being incredibly simple to install and maintain. The Cognex Logistics 3D-A1000 dimension system takes the headache out of product dimensioning. Using groundbreaking 3D symbolic light projection technology and 2D imaging to provide factory-calibrated, high-speed, and in-motion 3D inspections. Everything needed to connect comes in one simple turnkey package. Just follow the prompts on the instruction card to get started using the built-in web interface. A setup wizard will appear and ask some basic questions about your application, like minimum and maximum package size, conveyor width, speed, and direction. The system will then generate a simulated environment and give you recommendations for trigger location, device mounting, process restraints, and guide you through optimal setup. Once installed, Auto-Tune features help adjust parameters that ensure maximum system performance. No need to dedicate hours of engineering time to troubleshooting. Unlike traditional systems, the 3D-A1000 can detect process handling issues by correctly discerning true side-by-side cases, such as touching or stacked objects, from false cases, like multi-pack items and split-top boxes, which prevents costly rework and stoppages. Surface inspection tools help find problems, such as open flaps, dents, and bulges, so damaged goods don't get shipped out. Flats detection correctly dimensions envelopes and objects with thin areas, such as blister packs. Liquid volume capabilities confirm that totes are not under or poorly filled, optimizing the use of space. Problems can be flagged to prevent damage or loss during transportation and stacking. Leverage the power of 2D and 3D vision to guide label placement during the label and apply process. Additionally, the 3D-A1000 can be used to verify correct label placement after application, inspecting for off-box labels. The 3D-A1000 can easily be trained to detect the presence and location of features like hazmat indicators or other handling markers. The 3D-A1000's new extended range feature has a large field of view, enabling inspection of large items like gaylords and pallets. The 3D-A1000 makes 3D dimensioning simple to implement and run without sacrificing speed or accuracy. Automatic optimization ensures the best results. And all of this is enabled by groundbreaking 2D and 3D imaging technology, backed by the trusted machine vision experts at Cognex. To learn more, contact your local Cognex representative or visit cognex.com/dimensioning.